Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone has gone silent, videos playing with nothing coming out, but it still rings when somebody calls you, then nothing is broken. Your Android does not have one volume, it has 4 of them, and they move completely separately. Press either volume key, and you get this thin slider down the side. Now tap the 3 dots at the top of it. 4 separate volumes, and the one you want is media. That is what plays your videos, your music, and your games. That little panel is fine, but the full page is much easier to read, so let me show you that instead. Swipe down, tap the settings gear, scroll down to sounds and vibration, and tap volume. There they are: ringtone, media, notifications, and system. Look at media, flat on the floor at 0, while the others are nearly full. Drag it across, and your sound is back. While you are on this page, look at the switch underneath. Use volume buttons for media. When that is on, your volume keys move the media slider, which is what you want. When it is off, pressing volume up during a video turns up your ringtone instead. The video stays silent, and you press harder, and nothing happens. Now tap the 3 dots in the corner and open Media Volume Limit. This is the one nobody finds. It puts a ceiling on your volume for headphones and Bluetooth, so the slider goes all the way up, but the sound never gets loud. Mine is off, and off is what you want. Go back twice to Sounds and Vibration, and check the 3 buttons at the top. Sound, Vibrate, and Mute. Tap Mute, and everything goes, so tap Sound, and leave it there. Next one, scroll down to Do Not Disturb and open it. Do Not Disturb silences your calls and your notifications, so if people say they rang you and it never made a noise, check this switch first. It does not normally touch your videos, and here is why. Tap Allowed during Do Not Disturb, then Alarms and Sounds. Media sound is switched on. That is what keeps your music playing. If somebody turns that off, your media goes silent too. Last place to look, and this catches people when only one app has no sound. Back on Sounds and Vibration, scroll down to Separate App Sound. This sends one app's audio to a completely different speaker or headphones, so that app plays into thin air while everything else is fine. Mine is off. So, 4 volumes, not 1. Media is the one that matters. Keep the volume keys on media, no volume limit, and sound mode on. Thanks for watching.